Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious stuffed crust ham and cheese pepperoni pizza. So let's get started. To get started making our stuffed crust ham and cheese pepperoni pizza, we have 3 slices of ham here, one of which we chopped up. We have 16 slices of pepperoni, We have a cup of tomato sauce. We have 1 cup of Fiesta cheese blend. And we have a cup of mozzarella cheese. And up here we have a half a cup of diced tomatoes. Okay, let's get started cooking. Let's do that. Okay, today we're going to be using our cast iron griddle. And we're going to go ahead and spritz that with a little bit of oil. These come in handy, these oil sprayers. Now we're going to take 1 large tortilla, put it right in the middle. And we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese and put that in there. Keep it away from the edge because we're going to seal it up. Okay, now we're going to take our ham and we're going to put that right in there. Nice slices of ham, Put that right in there, just like that. Take the other slice. Put that right in there. Okay. Now we're going to take some of our Fiesta cheese blend and we're going to put some cheese on top of that. Because we love cheese. What's pizza without cheese, right? Well, really, we're making like a ham and cheese sandwich in the crust. That's why we're calling it a ham and cheese pizza. And this is a stuffed crust ham and cheese pizza. Okay, now we're going to add a little pepper in there and a little bit of garlic powder, and because we have smoked ham, we're going to add a little smoked paprika. And to kick it up a notch, we're going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our water and we're going to put it around the edge. Coat that edge good. Then we're going to take another large tortilla and put that right on top of there. Try to get it lined up in the middle. Okay, then we're going to take a lid and it's got a rim around the edge. So we're going to be able to push down on it and seal the edge. We can move it around, but we can push down and we can seal that edge. Just like that. Okay, that's pretty sealed. Looks good. Okay, now we're just going to take our hand and kind of flatten out that top just a little bit. Okay, there you go. Boy, that's really puffed up. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our sauce and we're going to put that right on there. Let's put a little more on. Okay. Okay, that ought to do it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese, probably the rest of this, and we're going to put that right on there. Okay, now we're going to take some of our Fiesta cheese blend and we'll put that on there. This makes it taste good when you combine different cheeses. This Fiesta cheese blend's got like 3 or 4 different cheeses already in it, so it makes it really nice and tasty. Okay. Now we're going to take our pepperoni, yep, and we're going to see if we can put that all around the edge. We got to load it with pepperoni, so. Okay, wow, that's a lot of pepperoni. Next we're going to take our chopped ham and we're going to kind of spritz that on top. Just so you know it's there, you know, make it look good and taste good. Okay, now we're going to put a little more mozzarella cheese on. Yeah, okay, because we like cheese. Just to kind of make it look pretty. Boy, this thing's getting big. Okay, and we might as well go ahead and finish up our Fiesta cheese blend. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our diced tomatoes. We're going to put some of them on there. Okay, that's it. What the heck, we might as well finish up our mozzarella cheese. Wow, lots of cheese. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of oregano. Okay, a little bit extra pepper and a little bit extra garlic powder and just a little bit of red pepper flakes. Alright, now we're going to set our burner to medium and we're going to cover that and we're going to toast our crust up a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead and stick it in the oven at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. But we want to get our crust nice and toasted before we do that. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, the crust is just perfect. Okay, we're gonna put that in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, until all the cheese is nice and melted and everything's nice and hot. Let's do that. Okay, our pizza's done. Let's get it out of there. Here it is. Wow. Man, does that look good. Can you see it? Here, I'll maybe see if I can raise it up for you. Boy, is that tasty looking. Okay, I can't wait to get into that. Boy, does that look good. Alright, let's just have a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay guys, here it is. Wow. Boy, does that look good. It smells even better. Well, there you have it guys. Our stuffed crust ham and cheese pepperoni pizza. And it's loaded with cheese. Loaded with pepperoni. And it's loaded with ham. Yeah, this has just got to taste good. Okay, let's just go ahead and slice this up. Yeah, before we do that, we can put on a little more Parmesan cheese. Just to kick it up a notch. Okay, let's see if we can cut this up. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to pick it up by hand. It's definitely too hot yet. Maybe we'll use a spatula and get under there. Okay. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, wow. Can you see that? Look at the size of that slice of pizza. And the ham and cheese crust. Yeah, this is going to taste good. Okay. Let's just go ahead and try to have a little bite. I don't know. Wow. It's pretty hot. Oh yeah. Look at the ham that's in there. Beautiful. Boy, does that taste good. And it's not too hot with the red pepper. It's just beautiful. And you got all these little pieces of ham in there. Yep. It's just perfect. Just go ahead and make them this way because they're delicious. And you better make more than one because if you have company over, they're not going to last long. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you can freeze them. Yeah, that's a possibility. Okay. Yep, just plain delicious. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I just got to have another little bite. Good.